In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a real account on MetaTrader 5 in just 5 minutes. Getting started with MetaTrader 5 can seem a bit daunting at first, but with the right steps, you'll be on your way to trading in no time. First things first, it's important to understand that in order to trade on MetaTrader 5, you'll need an account with a Forex or CFD broker. This account acts as a bridge between you and the trading platform, making it essential to set it up correctly. Now, let's dive into the process. The initial step is to open a brokerage account. Select a broker that suits your trading preferences and offers MT5 as one of their platforms. This is a crucial step, so take your time to research and choose a broker that meets your needs. During the registration with your chosen broker, you'll need to specifically opt for MT5 as your trading platform rather than MT4 or any other options they might offer. Once your brokerage account is created, your broker will provide you with a direct download link for MetaTrader 5 or guide you to their client portal. Be sure to follow their instructions carefully to download the correct version that matches your device type. When you're ready, download the .exe installation file from your broker's website. This file will be located in your computer's Downloads folder once the download completes. Locate the downloaded file and double-click to initiate the installation process. The system may prompt you to allow the application to make changes to your device. Go ahead and accept this prompt to proceed. As part of the installation, take a moment to read through and accept the license agreement. It's always good practice to understand what you're agreeing to, even if it might seem like small print at the time. The installation process gives you the opportunity to change the installation folder by selecting Settings. If you're comfortable with the default folder, simply click Next and wait for the installation to complete. Once everything is installed, the MT5 terminal will launch automatically. At this point, you'll need to enter your account number, password, and server details provided by your broker to log in successfully. Make sure you input these details accurately to gain access to your account. And there you have it. You're now set up and ready to start trading. If you feel not quite ready to jump into a live account, don't worry. You can start with a demo account instead. It's a great way to familiarize yourself with the platform and practice your trading strategies without risking real money. That's it for today. I hope this guide has been helpful in getting you started with MetaTrader 5. Thank you for watching and happy trading!